Hi, this is Jennifer Shea Hedberg, the Ice Wrangler, and this video is going to show the releasing of a Sandcastle bucket ice lantern. It's August here in Minnesota, so this Sandcastle bucket ice lantern was used as a wine cooler, a fun, surprising, and sunlit wine cooler. And in the winter, these fun-shaped ice lanterns create wonder all on their own or add magic as part of a larger ice lantern structure. I will be using the partial freeze method for making bucket ice lanterns found on page 19 of my book, Luminary Magic. So welcome to my basement studio and follow along. Okay, let's see. So I need my gloves. I've taken this out of the freezer and it's been melting, so I better hurry. So it'll probably slip right out because it's been sitting here for a little bit, but it should be fine. I'm going to give it a little bit of a push here and see if it'll come out. There comes the water. So as you can see, it's got this nice chamber in there for the candle to go. So it appears to be stuck on something. So I'm going to give it a little bit of warm water on top. There, now it's out. Okay. So there is the ice, and so as you can see, it's got a nice chamber there. It does have a little bit of a white fog there, but that's okay. So then I'm going to take my drill and put in a drill bit, and I think I'm going to go with one that's a little bit narrower so it doesn't disrupt the ice so much, because if the thinner the drill, the less damage you do to the ice because it doesn't put as much pressure. So if you're feeling it all like it's risky, use a smaller one first and then maybe run some warm water through that hole or something if it's a fairly thin piece of ice. But this top looks fairly thick, so I think it'll be okay. There. Okay, so, and if you have a sink, a big deep sink, you can do the next thing, which is, okay, so it has a little hole, like I did, and I'm going to turn it this way, and I'm going to run some hot water or warm water through it so that it gets rid of a lot of that white and creates more of a channel for the candle, and so that I can light the candle through the top if I want. And so by just having just a little stream of water like that, it really doesn't eat that much of the ice away that quickly. If I were to really make the water come out faster, it would really eat the ice. Okay, so now that has a nice chamber for a candle. I've got a little headlamp here. So now I can put the headlamp in just to kind of show an example of what it would look like. Let's turn the light off. So there you have a nice little ice lantern. And that all came from this. It looks like a little mini castle. And you can find them at a lot of discount stores right now in the middle of the summer. So yeah, hope to see you this winter out playing with ice. For more information about my book, Luminary Magic, or other fun ice luminary projects, go to wintercraft.com. This is the Ice Wrangler. Enjoy the glow.